Hey there kids! The brand new Dell Latitude 7430 comes in an unusual black box. Neatly packed inside, we have the laptop in this premium soft black bag. And the compact 65 watts Type-C travel charger. The laptop feels very solid and the carbon finish look is a nice touch. On the left side we only have a single Type-C port, air grill and a headphone jack. On the right side we have the SD card slot, another Type-C port, single USB Type-A, HDMI port and a lock hole. And on the back side there's just another air output hole. So when it comes to connectivity I'd say it's very minimalistic like most laptops in this category these days. The bottom side is just a plain plastic sheet with a fan grill. The keyboard is the same as in almost any other recent Dell laptop model, which is great. And the touchpad is large and roomy. Here's a small full HD webcam with privacy shutter. Unfortunately it does not support Windows Hello feature. As usual with the Latitude series, this laptop bottom cover is easy to remove with 8 regular Phillips screws. This specific model has Intel 12th Gen i7 1270p CPU and 32GB of non-upgradable LPDDR5 memory. It's being cooled by this new metallic fan. You can replace the SSD under this black cover, and you can add a cellular modem. But, just like in other parallel models, you cannot replace or upgrade the memory. Everything works as fast as you would expect from this latest hardware. The full HD screen is bright and crisp. And the viewing angle is very good too. And with a docking station or some other connector hub it's a great machine to handle most of your daily tasks with ease. Keep it real folks.